So here today I'm going to discuss about UX design process. So how the designing will be processed in the UX design, creating a design strategy. So we are going to create a design strategy. So first one is definition of the design strategy. So introduce the concept of design strategy, highlighting its role as a blueprint that guides the design process towards the achieving a specific goals and objectives. The importance of design strategies, explain why the design strategy is essential for business. So, and the business and organizations, the empathizing its roles in aligning designs efforts with overall business development and objectives and customers. So, what is meant by design UX strategy? So, what are the strategy we are following? First one is human elements. The next one is desired outcomes, and another one is information elements. So, in human elements, we are focused as stakeholders, SMEs, that is engineers and designers, developers and engineers. So the human elements, the human needs. The main thing is we have the existing users. So after that, designers, developers, and engineers. So from this UX designers, we need to collect the data from the desired document. So next one is desired outcome. So before the desired outcome, we need to concentrate on the informational elements. So what are the requirements need for the design thinking, collecting the design strategy. So first one is existing data. We need to collect the existing data, that is existing problems. So what are the existing problems which we are collecting? So that will be taken into the client and we are going to focus. Next one is user interviews. So we are going to conduct the interviews based on the performance. Next one is competitive product and research. So competitive, we are going to develop the project with the competitive world. Next one is customer feedback. So we are going to ask with the customer's feedback. So based on the customer feedback only, we have to refine the design strategy. Next one is desired outcomes. So desired outcome is nothing but desired design criteria. We have to set the criteria, and we on the criteria, based on the criteria only, we are going to travel and we are going to achieve the strategy. Next one is functionality. Functionality. So we having a number of functionalities, which means we are going to focus the functionalities of the terms in terms of the UX strategy. Next one is features. So we need to cover the features and success metrics. Under success metrics. So overall, we have a UX design strategy. We have a define 5 steps. We have broken into 5 steps. One is design, define your goals. Next one is research, and then brainstorming and brainstorm and wireframes, and test and evaluate designers, and prepare to iterate. These are the 5 steps which include the process. So first one is nothing but define your goals. So what do you want to create or improve? What problems do you want our product to solve? And what does the successful user experience look like? And what do we need to know about the users? And what financial target to be hit? And how much funding do we have? And what are the time constraints? And how can company performance can be maximized? So the second one is research. So second one is research, that is users, stakeholders, and competitions. So in the research, we having as the users. Users is nothing but it is how to obtaining their demographics and wants and needs their big impact on the product success. So stakeholders and competitions, and a third one is brainstorming and outlining. So nothing by what ideations exercise you will use, and will you start good old pen and paper? What design software do you have to access? And does your team need an online software that supports remote work? Or they prefer wireframing and prototyping tools you will use? So these are the constraints. Then the next one is plan and testing and evaluation method. So last one is prepare to ideate. Okay. So these are the main things. Identifying the business goals. identifying the business goals. In this, discuss the importance of understanding the organization business objectives and goals before developing a design strategy. So, aligning design with business objectives. So, we having a user research and insight, conducting user research. So, we have establishing the design principles. In this, highlighting the importance of the designing the clear design principles that serves as a guiding rules for the design decisions and implementations. Examples of the design principles. We provide examples of design principles such as simplicity, consistency, accessibility, and explain how they will be influencing the design outcomes. Utilizing the user insights or discover, however, how user insights obtained through research inform design decisions and help create a user-centric experience. So define OKRs. Define OKRs. How to set the right OKRs. OKR is nothing but objectives, key results, and explain how they use to set the measurable design goals. So these are the OKRs to set the right path. So choose 3 to 5 objectives and aim high, be specific, and encouraging teamwork and track progress and celebrate success and know when to readjust. So understanding the brand identity and integrating the brand elements. So embracing the iterations, agile methods, and cross-functional collaborations and effective communication channels. So these are the main communications issues between the developers and designers. So these are the issues we have to focus. So first one is unnecessary back and forth between departments. Second one is creating supervisions, and third one is long and complicated question and answers process, and duplications of offers, efforts, and not taking the advantages of the new collaboration task. Thank you.